Hello guys, we don't have to spend a lot of time in the kitchen to prepare delicious and healthy meals. For today I have prepared 4 types of wraps for all tasties that can be served as breakfast, lunch or dinner. Use your creativity to prepare a tasty meal that will bring extra nutrients to your body. I bought an original Piadina recipe from Italy that is organic, clean, made with extra virgin olive oil. Without adding anything else, let's begin with the first piadina. This is a classic Italian recipe with prosciutto crudo, mozzarella, tomatoes and arugula. We unwrap the piadina. As I told you, we use an original piadina recipe from Italy, made with extra virgin olive oil. After that, we open the prosciutto crudo slices and the rest of the ingredients. Preparing the piadina is very simple. Just heat it in the pan for a minute on each side until it browns a little. Then we slice the cherry tomatoes and mozzarella. For an original, authentic taste, I recommend you to use buffalo mozzarella. We arrange the ingredients on half of the piadina and we start by putting half of the amount of the prosciutto crudo. We add the mozzarella slices and then the sliced tomatoes. You can add a little bit of salt, pepper and olive oil. Then we put the other half of the prosciutto crudo. We add the arugula and the piadina is ready. Here we have a tuna wrap with Kalamata olives, sweet corn, red onion and capers. We start by putting the canned tuna on the piadina. Then we sprinkle a little black and chili pepper. We add the Kalamata olives and the red onion. We also add a teaspoon of capers and finally the sweet corn. You can add just a little more salt so that's not too salty. Our piadina is ready. I wish you enjoy it. The third wrap is with chicken breast, champignon mushrooms, spinach and avocado. We cut the mushrooms and the chicken breast. We pour some extra virgin olive oil into a pan. Then we add the chicken breast. We mix it so it doesn't stick. We add the mushrooms and we mix it again. Then we put the lid on and leave the pot on the fire for a few minutes. We add a pinch of black pepper, salt and turmeric. I like it spicier, so I also add some chili flakes. Then mix it again. Finally, we add the baby spinach and a little bit of garlic if you prefer. We mix it until the spinach is also cooked. Now we can put all the mixture on a plate and of course prepare our piadina. We put the whole composition on the piadina. And finally, about half of an avocado. And some salt and pepper. We are ready now to take a bite. And the last piadina for today is a vegetarian one with kidney beans, mushrooms, tomatoes, zucchini, bell pepper, avocado, and a little bit of red onion. We begin to cut the mushrooms. Then we peel almost half of a zucchini. And cut it into larger pieces. We also cut half of a bell pepper into larger pieces. Then slice the cherry tomatoes. We pour some extra virgin olive oil on low heat. Then add the canned kidney beans. We mix it and add the sliced vegetables. I forgot about the red onion, but you can add it. I'll drop some black pepper. Mix it again. Drop a little bit of turmeric and put the lid on. We have to mix it over and over again so it doesn't stick. After a few minutes, we add the cherry tomatoes and mix it again. Shortly, the whole composition will be ready to be placed on the piadina. So we put it all on the piadina. Add a little bit of salt and about half of an avocado. You can also add some chili into the mix if you prefer it spicier. Our vegetarian piadina is now ready to be eaten. My friends, these are my 4 piadinas recipes. They are healthy and nutritious. I hope you will try them. And let me know if you like them in a comment below. Don't forget to cook your meal with pleasure and fun. If you like this content, please give me a like, share and subscribe to be notified whenever I post a new content. Now, let's take a bite. It's delicious.